Good evening and welcome to this amazing opportunity which is going to tell you how you can start earning online with the help of internet, your smartphone and the social media. So first of all, let me tell you about myself. I'm Rohit Sharma and I'm a serial entrepreneur. I own three companies. I've been into business field for the last 7 to 8 years and I've been training a lot of people for sales. So I'm a sales specialist and also I'm an affiliate marketing trainer. And throughout my career of 7 to 8 years as a trainer, as an entrepreneur, I've trained over 25,000 people, which are from different strata of the society, from the different age groups. So my clientele generally includes college students, universities, corporates, startups, and people from all the age groups. So whatever I'm going to tell you today is based out of my own experience and my research that I've done, and through which I'm going to tell you about this amazing platform. So recently, I've started a new mission that I'm going to train at least 1 lakh people to earn 1 lakh rupees per month with the help of social media by working from their home. Because see, currently the times have completely changed. Right, because of this coronavirus, people are looking for some new ways to earn from home so that they can utilize their time that they are generally either wasting into TVs and then into social media, scrolling endless number of posts and getting nothing out of it. So I'm going to help you in this video that how you can learn a very easy system to make good money out of internet. So this session is for all those people who want to make money online, who want to earn online. And if you are a college student, an employee, a self-employed or a housewife, this opportunity is completely equal for all. So anybody can do it. Now, generally we face three problems in our life. Like, in fact, you must be laughing, you must be saying that my life is full of hundreds of problems, but actually these three problems are at the core of all the basic problems. Now, if you are able to solve these three problems, the rest of the problems will definitely be get sorted out automatically. So these three problems are the insufficient income, free time and feeling left out. Now let me elaborate this within a second. See, insufficient income, I don't need to elaborate this because a lot of people feel this kind of problem, that the amount that they are making every month, either out of their business or their freelancing work or their job, it is not sufficient to meet the daily needs. All right, and this creates a lot of stress, frustration, and even people take a lot of debt and loan because of this, and that in fact becomes a very miserable life. The second problem is that people have a lot of free time which they're just wasting over social media and TV, and they're not able to utilize their time for their own good. The third problem is that people feel left out because they see a lot of people, in their neighborhood or in their friend circle or whom they know, which are growing like anything. And these people, despite after working hard, they don't get such kind of success. In fact, you can take the example of these two kids. One is 8 years old who earned 185 crore rupees in last year just with the use of YouTube. And the other one also earns a lot of money from blogging and social media, and he's only 13 years old. So the guy on the right hand side earns around 5 to 8 lakh rupees per month. So tell me, if you want to know about such kind of system that can also help you earn this much of income with the use of internet by giving just minimum amount of time input, right, then this system is going to help you. So my big promise is you that I'm going to tell you a simple two-step system here, which is already proven system through which you can solve all these major problems of your life. And also this system will give you an income of 1 lakh or even more in 30 or more days or even less days. That completely depend on your hard work, but if you follow this system, you'll definitely get a lot of good results. Now this system is known as affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a very simple system to do online business. So basically there are four kinds of online business which people generally do. One is e-commerce and drop shipping, but this requires a lot of investment, huge money, and I'm pretty sure about it because I have already done an e-commerce business. I own an e-commerce portal which is called Punk Eco-Friendly Products. So it generally deals into eco-friendly lifestyle products. But I know that we have invested lakhs of rupees to start this portal, and also regularly we need to infuse money into this business. So everybody can't do it. The next one is blogging and vlogging, for which a lot of talent, video making skills, creativity is required. Everybody doesn't have that courage to even give their introduction over a mobile phone or a camera, right? So everybody can't do it. The third one is digital marketing and social media marketing, for which again a lot of creativity, time and patience is required, which a lot of people generally don't have. So the best one of all is affiliate marketing because it doesn't require huge investment. All right, the second thing is that it doesn't require your talent or skills. You can start it with even zero technical skills. All right, and also it doesn't require a lot of time investment because you can even work out for just 2 to 3 hours a day, or even on weekends you can just devote your 4 to 5 hours and develop a good high paying affiliate marketing business for yourself over the internet. So if affiliate marketing is such a powerful option for people to earn money online, then why do people fail in affiliate marketing? So basically, these are some of the characteristics which I'm going to describe here. So if you have any of these characteristics in you, then please leave this video right now, because this video and affiliate program is not for freebie seekers. All right, freebie seekers generally don't get anything in life, because there are no free lunches in the world today, as you know. If you have a negative attitude and you doubt everything, then you should not be a part of affiliate marketing, because then you will fail, because this business is for only the people who have positive attitude. If you're just a thinker and not an action taker, you can't be successful in affiliate marketing, because it requires regular, consistent actions. And if you don't want to work hard, if you are looking for a shortcut for everything, then you can't be successful in affiliate marketing, because it requires hard work, not in terms of physical efforts, but yes, you need to spend some time over internet, right? And this is not a get rich quick scheme. So if you're looking for something like a lottery, okay, or get rich quick overnight, then you can try something else. Affiliate marketing won't give you that option. And if you are something called Mr. Know It All, that means you're not willing to learn anything new, then you can't be successful in this business. You need to switch off this video right now and carry over to your regular routine. But if you don't belong to any of these 6 categories, then definitely you can become successful in affiliate marketing by taking decision yourself, because the people who take decision themselves, they get successful in any business that they can do, because for any business, self decision making is the most powerful tool. The second requirement is that you need to invest in your learning. You have to invest, because whenever you invest in your learning, you acquire new skills. It will help increase your income. Third thing is that you need to take action immediately. You should not be a mere thinker. You should be an action taker, and you need to learn from mentors. So these 4 kinds of people, these 4 kind of characteristics, get success in affiliate marketing. So let's just see how affiliate marketing works. So affiliate marketing is generally a 3-step process, wherein the first step is that you select a program, select a product with an affiliate program, just like Amazon or ClickFunnels or JVZoo. So these platforms provide you with an affiliate earning opportunity with the products that they promote. Second one is that whenever you register with these programs, with these websites as an affiliate, so you will get your own unique affiliate link, which you can promote over internet, and through which you can generate a lot of sales, and on these sales you will earn huge amounts of commission. Now let's see what kind of products and affiliate programs are available in the market. So basically, all the affiliate programs sell 2 kinds of products only. First one is the physical product. So you can find physical products over Amazon, or say Flipkart or Snapdeal or Nykaa. So all those e-commerce portals which deal into tangible products, right? Just like mobile phone or lipsticks or garments or shoes or accessories and all those things which are tangible products. So these companies offer a very low percentage of commission. So like you can become an Amazon with affiliate for free of cost. You don't need to spend even a single penny for that. But the maximum percentage of commission that Amazon can offer you is only 8 to 12%, right? So the commission is quite less in physical product category, and the process is very, very, very huge, and it's very complex, and it's very time taking also. You need to set up a blog where you're going to create and build your audience, which takes a lot of time and technical knowledge also, because then you need to promote your blog. You need to make some SEOs over it, that is search engine optimization. So you need to have all those digital marketing and creative skills through which you can promote your blog, right? And also now these days, making a blog popular requires a lot of investment in terms of the social media advertisement, right? And even after that, it takes like 5 to 6 months to earn the first income. Right? But in case of digital products, the process is quite simple. These products are very easy to promote, and they have high commission also. But again, all the platforms that are available in the market, they again follow that huge, long, complex system for the affiliates. So that's why everybody can't do it. But we have turned this around. We have removed all the complexities and all the technicalities out of the affiliate marketing system, and provided you a very simple system that anybody without any technical knowledge can easily apply this system and earn lakhs of rupees from our affiliate program. So the affiliate program that we provide is known as Biz Gurukul. Biz Gurukul offers you 2 kinds of products. So basically our products are e-learning courses, which are a combination of 2 things. One is skill development. So we're going to provide you some skill development courses which you can use to get enhancement, get upgradations, and get growth in your career and business, or even your education. The second part of this combo is that you will get a lot of trainings to learn how to earn online. All right, so basically we provide a combination of two things. One is skill development, the other is that we're going to train you to earn online, how you can create your own online system with zero technical knowledge. And with the help of this system, one of our students, his name is Jatin Sharma, earned 8,000 rupees in last 4 days. So just like Jatin, we have a lot of people like Mrs. Preeti Parna. She's a housewife, earned 2,000 rupees from our portal. Then we have Suresh, and college students like Suresh and Devans have also started earning, right? And in less than 3 days, Aniket from Maharashtra made over 6,000 rupees for himself. And then this kid known as Harshal made over 20,000 rupees in less than 3 days. And why are these people able to do it? Because the Biz Gurukul program is very simple yet powerful. So what are the unique features? The most important thing is that we provide genuine digital products. Now, why did I stress on this? Because a lot of affiliate programs in the market are running, which are providing bogus products to a lot of people. But here we provide you genuine professional skill development courses and earning trainings. All right, we provide the highest commission available in the market, and also we do that with the help of super effective, completely free of cost trainings for you. Our support system is very effective and you can access this for the lifetime. And most important thing is that it involves a negligible startup cost, and because it involves all these features, so even first year college students like Ritesh were able to earn 25,000 rupees in just 18 days sitting at home using social media. Now, this kid, he's just 16 years old and made over 34,000 rupees in just a single week. So the video is actually in Hindi, so I'm not going to play it. If you wanted, you can ask it from your friend who referred you this video. So let's come to the products. What products are we offering? So our first product, our first package is known as the Gold Package. In the Gold Package, we offer you an advanced personality development course, which has a value of rupees 5,000 in the market. Why can I say this? That the value is 5,000 rupees, because this program is created by me. So I'm a personality development trainer. Like in the business field, personality development is very much important, right? So I've been training a lot of people for personality development. I generally charge 5,000 rupees for my trainings offline. Hence, this is valued at rupees 5,000 rupees. So in this course, I'm gonna train you about a lot of things, right? So this video is in Hindi. Though I'm playing it, you need to just have a look at it, just to give you an overview that what kind of content do I provide here, and the authenticity of my training. All right, so this is me giving training to some school students, and I'll be training a lot of people from different societies. So these are some clippings of my different seminars and workshops that I've been conducting. So let's quickly get on to the content of the course. So the first thing that's included in the course is that how a personality is created. So I'm going to tell you that the personality is created at 3 levels: physical, social, and mental level. And I'm going to elaborate all of these factors one by one, right? So all the factors which create a strong personality at physical level, then at social level, and then at the mental level, how can you become super strong and have a magnetic personality? I'm going to train you all of that in this course. So the gold course involves advanced personality development course, and the second part, the training to learn online, we are giving all of that training for free here. So you can build your own brand on social media. We're going to train you about it. Then also how you can market not just affiliate program or any other business, how you can market it. We're going to train you about it. So you'll become a social media marketing master. Also, we're going to provide you some pre-designed ads and content for promotions. And if you watch this video till the end, you're going to have 3 bonuses as well. And now there is a surprise for all of you that we are upgrading our gold package. So the next course that we are going to add into the gold package, which will be completely free of course, there are no extra charges that you need to pay. That course is Video Superstar. So if you are someone who wants to make really cool and amazing effective videos and get a lot of followers for you, then you have to learn this course. You have to watch this course. It's going to be a very simple course I'm going to follow and give you some very simple strategies through which you will become a confident video maker, be it in front of mobile camera or a digital camera. You're gonna be fearless in terms of making videos, and you're gonna learn how to make cool videos and also edit it. And also I'm going to tell you how you can create a lot of content for your videos. You can have unlimited supply of content, and also you can speak confidently in front of camera. So it's going to increase your goodwill and good image on social media like anything. So it was about the gold course. Now we have the platinum course. So in Platinum course, we provide you a public speaking and communication mastery program. See, all of us know that public speaking is one of the skills that's one of the highest paid skills in the world. So if you're good at public speaking, you can definitely grow a lot in your career, and in fact, you can become a trainer also. And if you have good communication skills, then you can then you can write the corporate letters very, very, very quickly, right? So this product is valued at rupees 60,000 rupees in the market. Why? Because my own mentor has created this program, and he generally charges around 16,000 rupees from people offline for this workshop, right? So in the platinum package, he's Mr. Keshav Lal, who's gonna train you about the public speaking mastery. So his clientele generally includes a lot of millionaires, like the owner of Manohar Lal Jewelers is his client, and also the owner of Hans Publication, Lotus Publication, the big paper brand, stationery brand, they are also his clients. So he charges generally 16,000 to even 1 lakh rupees for his training programs. But here this course is available to you. So in this course, you will know how to increase your voice quality, how to be more confident on stage, how you can create a lot of content for yourself, how they great public speakers think, how they produce content, how they speak well, how you can improve your hand gestures and your expressions. So all of that, in fact, your body language also. So this program is going to make you a very, very, very powerful communicator and a public speaker. So in this platinum course, we are going to provide you this public speaking program and communication mastery, and along with that, all the trainings that I told you into the gold package, they are also available with this package, along with the 3 bonuses that I promised you. Right, so our third package is going to be the diamond package, where we'll include the 0 to millionaire program. Now this program is specifically for those people who want to build a business. So here we're going to train you about the entrepreneurship part of the business segment. Right, so you can start all a new business from scratch, and how you can rise it to $1 million within a span of say 2 to 3 years. We're going to teach you specifically and in detail with a lot of case studies and examples into this program, because for this program, to create this program, Mr. Keshav Lal interviewed more than 70 millionaires. So this will include all those teachings from those real life millionaires. So this is into the production stage, so it will be available pretty soon. Now by using this program, again this video is in Hindi, so I'm just going to describe about it. So this guy just joined us within 3 to 4 days back, and in the first 3 days only, Athar was able to get an income of 30,000 rupees for himself, and he's a fresher into affiliate marketing business. All right, he's just a college student. So if you have been here with us, then you definitely deserve the bonus. So the first bonus is that we're going to provide you 3 sales webinar support. All right, every week we're going to be conducting a webinar on every single day, trust me on this. Okay, so 3 days we'll be keeping the sales webinar, and on the other 3 days we'll be keeping training webinars for your personal development and your business development as well. So generally we charge 1,000 rupees for these webinars, but for you it will be available for free of cost. So the first bonus, which has a value of more than 6,000 rupees, is going to be available to you free of cost. Now the second bonus includes your access to our Facebook, WhatsApp and Telegram group. It's a private VIP group, and all these achievers that you have just seen in this video, they are available there. So you can ask your questions from them, you can have as many as tips as you want and learnings from these people. So we generally value it at 5,000 rupees. And also Keshav sir, who is a best-selling author on Amazon, he's also peak performance guru. His training sessions are generally ranging from 5,000 to 10,000 rupees for just 2 to 3 hours. All right, so he charges this much of amount from his clients, but we have requested him to provide all those trainings to us free of cost into this program. So this super bonus is valued at rupees 10,000 rupees, which is also available for free of cost for you into our program. So let's talk about the cost. So if you talk about the gold program, which includes the advanced personality development program, and also it will have the video making superstar challenge also in the coming days. But so the one-time cost for the gold package is valued at 21,000 rupees, but you need to just pay only 2,499 rupees for this program. You don't need to pay 21,000 rupees, just pay 2,499 and you will get all the courses and all the bonus into it. And if you start recommending this package, this gold product, all right, so you will be getting 2,000 rupees commission on every single sale. Now even if you make just one sale of this gold package, you'll get almost all of your money back, right? And plus you'll get all those trainings, lifetime support, everything free of cost here. Now Let's talk about the second package, which is the platinum package. So the whole value, including the bonuses and all, the value is 32,000 rupees, but you don't need to pay 32,000. You just have to pay 7,999 rupees for this package. And on every sale of this platinum package, you will earn 7,000 rupees commission. Again, you just sell one package and you get almost all of the money back. Now just imagine, you need to just pay 2,499 for gold and you get 2,000 rupees commission, and for almost 7,999 rupees for a platinum package, you get 7,000 rupees sale on every package. Just imagine, if you want to reach an income of 1 lakh rupees, you just need to make 15 sales of the platinum package. In fact, you can sell both of these. It's not just like you can sell one only. All right. And now let's just take an example. Suppose in the next 30 days you were able to make just 15 gold package sale, then you will have 30,000 rupees in your account. All right. Now, so even if you are able to make 10 sales for the platinum package, you will have around 70,000 rupees in your account. All right. So will it be easy? Of course not, because you need to just follow the simple system. I don't say it's going to be easy, but yes, it's going to be very simple, because we'll be providing all the trainings, we'll be guiding you for every step into this journey. Hence, this program will become very, very, very easy for you to implement if you follow our trainings and our system. So generally we have kept a weekly payment system. So whatever the sales that you generate from Monday to Sunday, leaving 2 days, the next week's Monday and Tuesday, you will get your payment on Wednesday. Why is it so? Because from our payment gateway, the Razorpay, we get payment after 2 days, right? So we have kept this system very simple so that we are able to track all the sales pretty effectively, and for that you will get payment on every Wednesday. So just another example, like these people are earning 4,000, 2,000, then 8,000, 4,000. Now this guy Sonu Sharma on the left, he's an IT employee. Okay, he works into finance department, into IT, has zero technical knowledge because he's into finance, but still he has made over 4,000 rupees from this platform working from home. We have Girish also, who made 24,000 rupees in just 7 days. He belongs to Maharashtra. And then we have rockstar Ritviz Tiwari, who has earned over 48,000 rupees for himself in just 15 days by working on this amazing concept. So in his video, this video is in Hindi, but he says that this program is no rocket science. All right. So this includes just a simple system that you need to follow. All right. You can talk to any of these people on social media or Instagram. Now the time is for bonus number 3. Now if you register, on seeing this video, because this is a recording of a webinar, so these slides are of a webinar which we generally do at 5 p.m. So we generally give people an offer that if they register before 12 p.m., and the same is with you, even if you are watching this video in the morning or maybe at 10 o'clock, if you are a quick action taker, if you make an action to purchase the platinum product before 12 a.m., right at 11, right till 11:59, then you will get the gold package free of cost with the purchase of platinum package if you buy it before 12 a.m. tonight. So it becomes a completely high profit deal, because you get a platinum package which is at a value of 16,000 rupees, and also the first bonus for 6,000 rupees, the second bonus of 10,000 rupees, and again the third bonus, which is the gold package, that you're going to you're going to get free of cost into the platinum package. So the total value is 37,000 rupees. You just need to pay only 7,990 rupees for this program. So there are no additional costs at all. There are no hidden costs. There are no conditions apply. You don't need to pay a single penny after this. All right. There are no renewal charges. There are no renewal costs, right, after a year or month or maybe anything. You just need to make this one-time payment, and after that everything will be free of cost for you for the whole lifetime. Now why do you need to, why you should be a part of Biz Gurukul? Let me just recall and let me just revise it again, that you actually learn how you can earn online using social media. So actually the people on social media, they charge a lot of money from people like us, who want to learn how to earn on social media, but they don't provide you the whole lifetime support that we provide here. So we provide the best platform available, the best trainings available to you, so that you can learn how to earn a lot from social media. The second thing is that you get huge opportunity to earn from social media every single week. There are no upper limit, there are no limit from our side on your earnings. You can earn any much as you want. So definitely, as you have seen, that we provide professional skill development courses also, which are unparalleled, unbeatable, and also you get an opportunity to become a social media star and influencer. All right, you can work from home or from anywhere as you want, and you will get a lot of guidance, support, and complete mentorship from our side. So after watching all this video up till now, if you think that money is your excuse, then let me tell you this, my dear friend, that you can't become successful in your life until you shift your mindset to something called that money is not a problem, money is the solution. How can you say that money is your problem? You don't have money when you're having a 10,000, 15,000, 40,000, maybe even 60,000 rupees mobile phone in your hand on which you're watching this video. Now, when you purchase this mobile phone, suppose it was for even say 15,000 rupees, just after 6 months or 8 months, its value will drop down to say 2,000 or even 3,000. But if you invest even 2,500 rupees on yourself, then definitely it will help you increase your value. Now just imagine, by just purchasing this, even just this gold package, if you improve your personality, right, and you get a skill of video making, can you imagine how much impact can it build on the audience and the market for you? With the help of this, if you fetch a better job or a better business client, can you imagine how much money you can get out of it? And look, how much did you invest for it? Just 2,500 rupees. Not for the company, for your own learning. So I won't consider it as an investment. It's just a fees for learning something. All right. So money is never the problem. Mindset is the problem. So even after learning so much about this program, you say that you have money. I can't help you for this, because to become successful in life, definitely you need to invest some money, guys, right? My dear friend, money is not multiplied by keeping it into the bank account. Money is multiplied by investing it. All right. So if you have this excuse that you don't have time, then I can say it's a pure lie, because in this lockdown and quarantine period, we all have a lot of time which you can use to create an online learning course for yourself. All right. And apart from that, even after the lockdown period, when you will be busy with your college and with your office, you can devote just 1 to 2 hours a day, all right, or even 4 to 5 hours on weekends. I mean, this is such a simple program. You just need to promote some material, the already pre-built material, which we are going to provide you. You just need to promote it over the internet. So from there, people will ask you that what this concept is about. You just need to invite them for the webinar or show this video to them. See, it's that simple process. Now suppose while going to your office in the morning, or to your college, or to your workplace, what you're going to do, just put some status on your social media regarding this platform, right? And when you get back to your home, you'll get a lot of queries for this, and then you can answer them or invite them for the webinar. It's just that simple task. So you don't need to compromise with your time for that. And see, to become successful, you need to create time. All right, nobody gets time to become successful. See, everybody has 24 hours, but those people who create time, avoiding their distractions and without wasting their time on the things which are unproductive. So people create time to work on something that can set them financially free. All right, if you are that guy who wants to ask someone before making a decision, then in the beginning of this video only I told you that if you leave your decision on someone, then you can't be successful in affiliate marketing or in any other business, right? I mean, do you ask, have you asked a lot of people before just buying a 2,500 rupees shoe or maybe clothes? No, right? So I mean, if you are someone who is always dependent on other people's decision, then you can't do this business, absolutely, right? And if you don't know where to start, then when you join as an affiliate with BizGurukul, we're going to provide you all the training, free of cost. Where the first training would be the whole basic about the affiliate program and how you can get started. It's as simple as that. Okay. And if you think that you don't have customer for this, then let me tell you, you are not a salesman, guy, right? You're not a salesman, you're a marketer, right? And marketer just promote their product, and the customers get to them. You don't need to go to them and sell them, right? You're not into the business of selling courses. We're into the business of providing earning opportunity to people. Now, how did you get this video? Because you asked some of your and because you asked one of your friend to tell you about this earning program, right? You didn't ask him about the course, because he didn't promote anything about the course. He promoted that this is an affiliate program which I'm working on, and you can also earn this much amount of money. And you got interested watching that ad or that poster or that pic or video over social media posted by your friend, and hence you're watching this video. So you don't need to find customer for selling your courses. We are not into course selling business. We are into affiliate marketing, through which we provide earning option to other people also. The courses are a bonus. And if you think that you won't be able to do it, then my friend, let me tell you, you are completely right. Because you have not learned to do it. So tell me this one thing. Do you know how to fly a plane? No, right? But what if you get a training for 2 to 3 years on how to fly a plane? Will you be able to do it? Will you become a pilot? Definitely you will, right? So to learn anything new enables us to do that thing in an efficient manner, right? So if you think that you are not able to do it or you won't be able to do it, you're completely right, because you have not taken training, right? But what if we teach you? So the question should be that I want to learn, I'm willing to learn, will you help me? Definitely we are going to help you in that if you have a learning attitude. All right, so in the end I must say that, see, this is one thing which has changed my life forever. Either you can make excuses or you can become a success. So likewise, I can say either you can make 1 lakh excuses now, or you can earn 1 lakh rupees in the next 30 days. The choice is totally yours. What would you choose? If you want to connect to me, then you can message me over Instagram on my 2 profiles. One is Aapka Rohit Sharma, the other is Earn with Rohit Sharma, or you can even mail your queries to me. And thank you so much for watching this video, and take action, start earning, start learning. Wish you all the best.